Today I'm sizing a diamond eternity ring. I have to size it down 2 1/4 sizes. As you can see here, it's not closed yet. It's a problem when you're trying to bring in because you're concerned about diamonds coming loose and diamonds falling out. As you can see, I can press it closed. What I'm going to be doing is utilizing a pair of pliers. These are the pliers that I have. They're not made for this procedure, but I took them and I changed them. I put some divots on the end. So I'm utilizing these pliers to help me to solder this. So how do I do this? Well, the first thing that I do is I take my ring and I put it in boric acid. I'm utilizing my third hand here. I'm centering it on the piece on the bottom over the diamonds. Now I'm going to take some 18 karat white gold solder and I'm going to apply it to 1/2 of the soldering joint. So here we go. I'm going to go and solder this on here. Okay, so I have my solder on there. Now I'm going to take a pair of pliers. Now, yes, I'm going right on top of the diamonds, and I am doing it so that, and I have to be careful how I grab it because it will move it around. Now, once I get the position correct, now I have the position correct, I'm going to go ahead and heat my soldering joint. And that's soldered just like that. So that takes care of that. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to quench it. Come over here. Okay. So that's quenched. So now you can look at it and you can see I have that soldered. So as you can see, it's far from round. So the very first thing I'm going to do in trying to straighten out is I'm going to put it on the mandrel, and you can see it's not round by any means. And I'm going to bring that down a little bit. And you can see I'm still a little bit small, but the ring is starting to round out. It will work out fine. Next, I'm going to take a sanding drum and I'm going to sand the inside. Okay, so now I've sanded the inside. Now I'm going to bring the ring up to size. I need to have exactly a 4 1/4. And you always measure to the inside, I should say to the middle of the ring. And so there you have your 4 1/4. Now, at this point, you definitely need to be able to check your stones. So you take a wide graver like this, and you're only going to be working on one side, but you're going to get a hold of the girdle and see what's loose, see what you can move. So far, this looks in very good shape. So I'm just going around really quickly. Most of the time where the stones loosen up are on the ends. Ah, there's one. So basically I'm going to come in and I'm going to, on an angle, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to tighten the stone. So that's it. I have to file it and finish it up, but it's exactly a size 4 1/4 and it is round.